Hello dear 8th class students, welcome to today's maths class. The topic is surface areas and volumes, and we have only two figures, that is cube and cuboid. I gave all the formulas related to the cube, all the formulas related to the cuboid. The three formulas for each. For cube we have lateral surface area, total surface area, volume. For cuboid also lateral surface area, total surface area and volume. Three formulas for each. But direct questions anyway you can do. But there is some confusion converting one available material into another material. So the conversion is little difficult. So those problems we are doing, and we have only two exercises, 14.1 and 14.2. 14.1 completed, 14.2 also almost all completed. Last problem left, that is 10th problem, students. 10th problem left in 14.2, last problem of this chapter and exercise. A vessel is in the shape of a cuboid. A vessel is in the shape of a cuboid, so 30 centimeters long. See here, dimensions of cuboid are length is 30, breadth is 25. See, breadth or width both are same. Breadth or width 25. The question is, what should be the height? Let height is equal to h. Height is not given, students. Height is not given. Length is given, breadth is given, but height is not given. So see here. See, amount of water that can be stored in this tank. How much water we can store in this tank? Amount of water is nothing but volume. Amount of water can be stored in the tank is nothing but volume of the tank. Volume formula is length into breadth into height. The tank is in the shape of a cuboid. What is the volume of cuboid formula? Length into breadth into height. 30 into 25 into h. This is the volume. But this is given as, this volume is given in the problem, students. 4.5 liters. 4.5 liters. Oh, sometimes the units are confusing. So first, see, both sides there should be same units. Total problem should be in same units. Centimeter or centimeter cube, centimeters cube, square or meters, meter cube, meter square, like that. So these are in centimeters, means answer is in centimeter cube. But this is centimeter cube and this is liters. So there is no relation. So there is no, we can't directly equate them. So liters means convert it into also into centimeter cube. Convert it into centimeters. See here, students, 1 liter is equal to, see, there is a conversion at the end of the chapter. Already we are using, but once again you can check the, so 1 liter is equal to how many centimeter cube? 1 liter is equal to how many centimeters cube? So 1000 centimeter cube. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So this is 30 into 25 into h is equal to 4.5 into 1000. multiply 1 liter is equal to this many centimeter cube. So 4.5 liters is equal to these many centimeter cube. So we want H value. H is equal to 4.5 into 1000 by 30 into 25 into that's all. See, volume of tank is length into breadth into height, but volume of tank is already given. Volume of tank is nothing but how much water we can save in that, how much water we can store in that. So this much water, but liters into 1000 convert into centimeter cube. Now centimeter cube, centimeter cube. So H is equal to 30 this side division, 25 this side division. Do the simplification, students. See, 45 into 1000 by 30 into 25 into, if you remove the decimal, we will get 10 in the denominator. Remove the decimal, 10 in the denominator. If you remove the decimal, after decimal 1 digit, so 1 0. Now do the simplification. 0 0 25 4 the 5 6 5 9 2 2 2 3 3 3 6 centimeters is the answer. So students, this chapter is over. So let us recollect what we studied in this chapter. So see, this is the square box, all sides are equal. So this is the square box. We studied about this figure in this chapter. This is called cube, square box. We studied about this figure. This is called cube. And I explained the formula for lateral surface area is 4x square, total surface area is 6x square, and volume is equal to x cube. Next, we also studied about cuboid. This is called cuboid, and so this is length, this is breadth, this is height. Here all are equal, x, x, x. Length x, breadth x, height x. So then these are the formulas. Now in this case the lateral surface area is 2 times of LB, LB cancel, 2 times of LH plus BH. This is the formula, students. 2H into L plus B also we can write. So this is the formula for lateral surface area. Total surface area is 2 times of LB plus BH plus LH. And volume formula is length into breadth into height. So these all the 6 formulas I gave and we applied in this, and even these formulas are useful in your higher classes also. Even you have in 8th, 9th class also we have this topic, and 10th also we have this topic. So these formulas are used in 9th and 10th classes also. And after that, so there is some small confusion in for volume units. So see here, 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. That I gave the relation and we applied. 1 liter, convert the liters into centimeter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters, or 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 6 zeros, centimeter cube. 1 meter cube is 1000 liters. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters, or units, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh centimeter cube. 1000 liters is also called 1 kiloliter. 1 kiloliter. 1000 liters is also called 1 kiloliter. So these are the units. So these are all formulas, and these conversions also we studied. And in the 2 exercises in 14.1 and 14.2, each and every problem I solved. But there is some confusion in changing the one solid figure into another. Suppose we have a big cube, from that we are making small cubes. How many cubes we can form? So that is a little confusion. So that type of problems we solve. So, and the homework is you have to do all the examples, students. Just look at the textbook. See the students, see the textbooks, 301 page number. First question, find the surface area of the cuboid whose length, breadth and height are 15, 12, 10. Length is 15, breadth is 10, height is, breadth is 12, height is 10. Volume is, surface area is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So total surface area, that sentence is not mentioned, but if it is not asked, we have to take total only. So total surface area formula 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So substituting the values, we got 900 answer. Second problem, edge of the cube is x. So then volume, total surface area is 6x square. So if each is doubled, so each is doubled means x will become 2x. In place of x, we will write 2x whole square. That means 4x square. So this will become 4 times. Area will become 4 times. So see that problem. Example 3, 2 cubes. So see here, find the surface area of the cuboid. So this is, see the dimensions. Total surface area of the cube is length into breadth into height. So 2 cubes are placed together, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters. 2 cubes are placed together. So 2 cubes are placed together means then length will become length, breadth, height. 2 cubes are placed together means, so it's like this. This is 1 cube and another cube is like this. Here only continuation, another cube is kept. So length will change. Length will become 6 plus 6, 12. Length will become 6 plus 6, 12. But breadth and height will be same. So now 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. See, if you keep one box after one box, the length will change. Length will become 6 plus 6. 6 is 6, total 12. Remaining breadth and height are same because we are not keeping one box above the another box. Height will be same 6 only. So breadth will be also same. Length only will change because 6 plus 6, 12. Example 4, find the total surface area 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. We got 10,800 centimeter cube and cost of painting is 50 pice per 20 centimeters. So 10,800 by 20 into 50 rupees. That's all. 10,800 by 20 into 50. So after 4.11.1 also we have few examples, that is example 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Difficult examples. So you practice these problems, students. But if you have similar problem in our textbook, you apply that method only because here some lengthy methods are applied. So example 5, find the volume of block wood whose length, breadth and height are given. L is given, B is given, H is given, volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Over. Sixth question. Volume of the tank. Volume formula is length into breadth into height. Length is given, breadth is given, height is given. We got 140 into 100 into 70 centimeter cube. So to convert the centimeter cube into liters, 1 liter is equal to these many centimeters cube. 1 centimeter cube is equal to divide the liters by 1000. So that means divide the centimeters by 1000 to convert it into liters. So we got 980 liters. See that problem. Seventh also. See, the dimensions are changed. Breadth becomes half, height becomes double, length becomes same. So the volume is length into breadth into height, that is nothing but x cube. So same as the original cube. See here, students. Find the volume of the box, length into breadth into height, length into breadth into height, and then volume of the soap cakes, V1 by V2, bigger value by smaller value, we will get the number of, already we did it. So same way you can complete this, all the example, students, do it, and with this our chapter is over. The surface areas and volume chapter is completed, students. Practice this and do all the examples. If you are not able to understand that procedure, first see our textbook, same problem is there or not, which I solved. Because generally I solve simple methods only, simple logic, simple methods. I don't elaborate and writing all the difficult steps. So simple methods. So if same problem is there in the exercise, you apply the method which I explained. So with this we conclude this class. Surface areas and volumes chapter is over. That means 13th and 14th chapters are over. 13th, 14th, because I already told 13th continuation is 14th, 13th nothing to told. Nothing, no new concept, just the introduction of these figures, what is length, what is breadth, what is height, introduction of these figures. So instead of explaining that, directly I explained everything in the 14th chapter itself. So 14th and 13th both are over. Next class we will start the new chapter, students.